Owning a designer handbag doesn't need to be a dream. In this video, I will show you how to buy one for less. I will walk you through the process of purchasing one through the website StockX and give you a brief overview of my new Gucci Soho Disco Bag. Let's get started. Hi ladies, my name is Debbie. If you are new here on my channel, I will share with you easy beauty and style tips to help you feel confident no matter what stage of life you're in. With 3 kids and a home soon under construction, every little bit is saved. But I cannot deny my obsession with the designer handbag. When I found out that buying Preloved handbags allows you to save quite a bit of money, I was sold. StockX is a website that makes buying things like sneakers, streetwear, watches, and designer handbags safe and secure. They act as a middleman between you and the seller. What makes StockX a really unique website is that it acts as a marketplace. The seller and buyer determine the value of each piece. So you know when you purchase at StockX that you're not going to pay more than what the market can bear. And that is how you save a lot on a designer handbag. On StockX, there's a huge inventory of designer handbags to choose from. Once you find a handbag that you love, you can buy it immediately at the current asking price or submit a bid and wait for many of the sellers with the same bag to accept your offer. It's that easy. After your purchase is confirmed, the seller has 2 business days to ship your handbag. When it arrives at StockX, the professional authentication, I had to think about that word, starts. I'm really glad that they do that. I bought a Gucci Soho Disco Bag off of eBay recently, only to find out that it was a fake Gucci bag. I've done my researching and I've done my investigating, and I know that you can buy a Gucci Soho Disco Bag for about $1,190. And you know, that's a lot of money. And I was excited that I purchased mine, get this, on StockX for $800. So that's like a $400 saving, and I'm so excited about that. I feel like it was a total score. All right, let's get to the fun part, the unboxing. But before we do that, I just want to let you know that I've had my eye on this bag for about 2 years, so I've been saving. It is available in black, red, and nude. Those are like the 3 perfect colors. I have a few bags in black and nude, so I knew that I wanted a really special bag in red, and the Gucci Disco, just with the look and again the size, it was the bag for me. All right, here's the box, and I have not even used it yet, so this is like really exciting. And it comes packaged in their branded dust bag. I know it's not in the original Gucci dust bag, and I'm okay with that. And here is the bag. It's so beautiful, right? It's a beautiful color, and I love everything about it, and I cannot wait to use it. Here is the green verified tag that I talked about, so this is the real deal. All right, I want to quickly just walk through the different elements of this beautiful bag. So if you're considering buying it, I want to provide you with sound information to help you make the best choice in buying your Gucci bag. The leather here is a textured grain leather. It's not a soft leather, so it means that it won't get easily scratched. And this is perfect because I plan to use this bag on the daily. The tassel zip here is also made with the same textured grain leather. I love this detail. The hardware is a soft gold. It gives it a beautiful touch, really luxe and elegant all at the same time. I want to remark that the seaming is perfect. It's constructed really well. It feels substantial in your hands, but yet really comfortable to wear as a crossbody. The interlocking G is the defining feature of this Gucci bag. It's not too like in your face, it's more subtle. So if you're looking for an understated elegance, this chic bag's for you. This strap here is a full leather strap, and you can see the holes here, so it makes it adjustable according to your height. And me as a 5'3", 5'4" woman, I am glad that I'm able to adjust it because I want it to hit me at the right place. All right, so let's open this bag. And I'm gonna take this stuffing out, and I'm actually going to keep it because when I'm not using the bag, I can put it back in place to help keep its shape. And you can see in here that it's a really good size. There's two interior pockets to put your cell phone, credit cards, lip balm. The fabric inside is lined with a canvas-like material. And we've got the logo right here. And it also comes with the Gucci maintenance leaflet, which interestingly, I love reading stuff like this. Because the opening is quite big, it's really easy to get in and out of. I love that because I'm kind of always in a rush, and so I don't have to worry about scratching my hand while I'm reaching for my keys or my cell phone. One of the important deciding factors in investing in a designer bag is finding a style that is timeless. I want to be able to use it season after season for a very long time, and possibly pass it on to my daughters if I'm willing to share. And I feel like with this bag, it is really the perfect choice. Leave a comment below if you love this Gucci Soho Disco bag, and let me know what color you're interested in getting. Now, for additional content, head over to my blog at To Thine Own Style Be True. I blog every Monday and Wednesday. Thank you again for stopping by and for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.